my name is Gigi. Welcome back to another video on my channel, Down for Glam. What we are doing today is painting some nails. We're going to draw some really cool pictures on them. And the color that we're using is this really cool caramel color from the modelones. You can see it right there, modelones Secret Garden Collection. We're going to add some other colors to it after we do a second coat. So I was playing around in the nail lab, like you do, and I was playing around with, just the technique you're about to see, the tie-dye technique where you put drops of polish and swirl them together. But instead of just doing a marble, I wanted to try to use that technique to draw something. Now, two of the nails that I actually started in the nail lab, where I was not doing any filming, I was just playing around. Two of those I saved. Some of them were in the garbage because they were awful, but two of them I saved. And when I was making them, the feeling of the swirling it and the drawing with it made me feel like there was a possibility that I could tie-dye a lily. And that's what we're watching. I figured while I try that technique, let's just go ahead and film it. If I'm able to make it work, we'll put it up on the channel. And you're watching it, so clearly I think I made it work. You're gonna have to let me know in the comment section if you agree with me on whether or not I made it work, but I think me and Tim Gunn would both agree that I made it work. I made it work, make it work, make it work. So, in case you didn't know, yes, I love Project Runway. I am so upset because it seems like COVID has put a stop to Project Runway for now. They haven't said anything like that. They've also not said anything. So, and I've Googled things and I'm not seeing anything. So, I'm really devastated. We'll see. Updates to come, maybe. We'll see. And of course, even if it does come back, it doesn't have Tim Gunn on it anymore. But if I'm being honest, Christian Siriano is killing it as the mentor. So if you like that show, I did some videos about that on my other channel. So go check that out. And if you're also interested about the story time where I talk about why I was not available for videos on Friday, you'll want to go over there as well, because I have a story time that will be up today, probably already. So go over there and check that out. It's also a get ready with me. So if you like makeup, I really love the look that I created. So definitely get over there and check that out. And I don't do a ton of makeup videos over there, but sometimes I do a get ready with me. I don't do tutorials per se because I'm not a professional. I'm not a makeup artist. I am an enthusiast. So I think I do a pretty decent job, but I'm sure I could do better. And so I take constructive criticism as well. So we're just refining the shape of the petals. Once I got the outline, I just wanted to pull some of that black in to really just make they are petals, and it just really accentuates that. And then the stamens in the middle with that yellow cream gel just really brings it home. And we're going to repeat that process on this nail as well. I think the first nail came out better, but I don't hate this one. I think it should have had one more petal, and I do fix that off camera, but I'm not sure how much I like it. You'll see the difference at the end, so be sure to let me know in the comment section. Should I have left it alone, or do you think the extra petal helped? Let me know. Since you're going to be down there letting me know, be sure to click that big red button. Give me a thumbs up. And if you want notifications so you don't miss anything, be sure to click the bell. Ring a ding ding on the bell. We're going to hit some top coat on this one. I did make a stem for this flower, and oopsidy doopsities, you don't get to see it. But I do make a stem on the other one as well, so you will see that process very, very soon. Because I'm going to make the stem and then we're going to do the stamens. Oh, after we do the outline. So the outline is coming. And I really like the tie-dye on this one. But again, I'm not positive that maybe I shouldn't have given it another shot on the shape. But again, I'm not mad at it. I don't hate it. And all lilies aren't exactly perfect. All lilies are not the same. I love lilies. They're my favorite flower. That's why I was so excited to try this technique on this particular flower. The way that lilies are shaped, I just felt like tie-dyeing them would be super simple and easy. And it did take several tries that you don't get to see before I got some shapes I liked. I cut all that out, of course. But there's a curve, not a huge curve, but you know, it just takes a minute to get the flow of it. But I think it really does translate, and I think this is a technique that I'm gonna try other shapes with. So definitely watch for that. And speaking of things that are coming up, Friday's video is so cute. Oh my gosh, you guys, you are seriously gonna love it. If for no other reason, hit the subscribe button so you don't miss that, because, oh my goodness. Oh, it's one of my favorite nails ever. I love it so, so much. I think it just totally came out super well. And it's the nail that I teased you with on Monday. So be sure to be here on Friday at 2:30. I'm going to have that ready and uploaded so that it just plays at 2:30 so you can watch it. Excuse me. Excuse me. So we're just finishing up the outline, and then we're going to accentuate it again by just pulling in, you know, pulling in to really indicate the shape of the petals. Sorry, my brain just went bonk and shut down a little, and that was me fighting for words, just fighting them there. I know words. Help me say words. So the two flowers are going to go really well with one of the nails that you'll see at the end. You could actually do either one, but I picked one particularly, and you'll see it at the end. And so I just thought, it's like a whole garden setting, and you'll see what I mean at the end. Now we're just coming in to make that stem. This is the one you get to see. And I just, first you just sort of use a little triangle shape coming from between two of the petals to indicate the back end of the flower, and then bring the stem down from that, and then use the brush to make these little blade-like leaves. Ooh, I think it came out so cute. Now we're going to put the stamens in there with that yellow cream gel. I love that modelones cream gel. Tell me you don't love that. That stuff is... You look at how little I have left in this pot of black. I'm going to have to order one this week. I'm going to get a white one as well, as I've never had the white one. We'll see if they have a sale going, and then I'll decide if I'm going to get more, but I'm about to run out of black, and I really need to get another one. I'm going to save that. We're going to do an empties video. I'm not ready yet because I need some more empties, but we're going to do an empties video. So now we are just putting striping tape on these two. Sorry, I was yammering away as I was doing that. Just adding a little striping tape. We're going to keep these two really simple because the tie-dye should be the star of the show. But I didn't want to leave them plain. I mean, you totally could have, but I don't know. I don't like to really, if I'm going to paint the nails, I want to give them a little oomphiness, right? Just, they need a little something too. Otherwise, I could have just done the flowers and been done with it and be like, this is what the tie-dye flower situation is. So, but I wanted to do a whole set. There's going to be plenty of just accent nail videos coming up. I've got lots of ideas for that. But, you know, it's fun to do sets as well. And I've been practicing on some different shapes of sculpting. So we're going to have some videos of that coming up really soon as well. We're just going to add the rest of this bling here and then pop these in the lamp before you see the whole entire set. That is about to come up any second now. First, let me get this bling on there. Let me get it on there. I can't do it. I can't do it. I'm going to try to add a second one, but it goes on upside down. See? Boom. So that means it has gel on it. So I just took it off. We're going to pop this one on, put it in the lamp, and bam. Okay, besties, this is the completed set. I did want to show you that this is the moth nail. I did this off camera. This one and this one were the experiment nails that sort of inspired everything that you see here. And I just thought it went with the lilies so well, like you'd have a little moth in your garden, right? That I decided to just go ahead and add it with these nails. Even though I didn't do it on camera, I hope that you like them. As you can see, they both have their little stems here. This one I didn't do on camera. Again, I'm so sorry. Guys, I really had so much fun using this tie-dye technique to make these flowers. I think it gives them a really unique look. I absolutely love the moth nail, and a little bling, always fun. I hope you enjoyed this set as much as I do. Let me know in the comment section, what would you do different, and do you think you'd wear these nails? Let me know. While you're down there, don't forget I got buttons, and you can share this video, help me grow this channel, and we will see you in the next one. Mwah. Bye-bye.